If your Windows PC shows that USB device is not recognized, no matter if it's Windows 7, 10, 11, whatever it is, if it shows USB device is not recognized and you know that you do not have a problem with the USB device or any other stuff, just do this that I commented a few other day, that is find another system, okay, Windows system hopefully, plug it into that, come back and plug it in into your current system. I don't know why it works, but it works. Okay, of course this is assuming there is no device driver problem or a port USB 3 or 2 port problem. Some devices like older Android, while you are ADB debugging and something, they require USB 2 ports, so sometimes they can fail. There are a lot of game controllers, I mean the racing wheel and stick and all different type of peripheral. A lot of them will only work with a USB 2, the black color USB port, not the sky blue or blue color port or any other color port. Okay, so that's higher than USB 2. Okay, so those are different thing, but for some reason plugging into other system and plugging it back into your own system works.